How to use your green status on Cash App. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can use your Cash App Green status. Now, basically, Cash App Green is a premium banking benefit that Cash App gives you, like free ATM withdrawals, overdraft coverage, or high interest savings. Now, the benefits are amazing. If you avail this for yourself on your Cash App, it can work incredibly for you. Now, basically, first of all, to qualify for it, you need to have a little eligibility. Okay, so if you deposit less than $300 in eligible paychecks or spend less than 500 in a month, your Cash App Green will not renew the following month. So you will have to keep on renewing it. Now, how does it work? You can earn green status each month in one of two ways. You can either spend $500 or more with your Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or deposit $300 or more in qualifying paychecks, or once you qualify, your benefits start right away and remain active through the following month. The benefits are incredible with higher borrowing limits, free overdraft coverage, access to their highest savings interests, and a whole lot more. So that is basically how you're going to get your green status on Cash App. And once you avail the eligibility, this is what your green status will look like on your Cash App. Everything is going to be on 100%, and you're going to see it right in your app like this. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.